Your boy is back again, and today we have something special, something people still lose their minds over every single time. We are talking about the Fragment Design X Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low. One of the cleanest, most iconic collaborations that ever came out of the Jordan brand and La Flame. Before we get into the details though, let me give a quick shout out. I grabbed my pair from my guys at kickwho.cc. They always deliver the best quality that I have seen. And if you want to support me, use my code DECENT20 at checkout and you get $10 off. It is a nice little bonus for you and it helps me keep making these reviews. Now, let us talk sizing real quick. For this pair, I always recommend going down half a size if you have a narrow foot. If you have a wider foot, you can stay true to size. That way, they sit clean on foot without squeezing your toes or creasing too fast. Trust me, I have worn enough Travis pairs to know how they behave. But now, let us get into the real reason why this collab is still a fan favorite. First, the design. Fragment and Travis together was already crazy on paper, but when this color blocking dropped, it broke the internet. The reverse swoosh in that sharp black, the royal blue heel hit, the cream midsole, the subtle fragment coating, every detail feels calculated. It is simple but powerful, and here is something people forget. Fragment is legendary for their minimalistic, Japanese-inspired design language, and Travis brings that rugged, rebellious energy. This sneaker is literally a mix of two worlds, clean precision and chaotic street vibe. That is why this pair does not age. You can wear these with cargos, denim, shorts, even dress them up. They always hit. Comfort-wise, they feel exactly like a classic Jordan 1 Low, which means stable, secure, and wearable all day. And the materials on this batch are super impressive. Soft leather, solid stitching, great structure around the toe box, and all the little branding details are sharp. Nothing sloppy, nothing off. When you hold them in hand, they feel premium. Visually, the blue, white, and black combo might be the best Travis colorway ever dropped. It is loud without being loud, if you know what I mean. People notice them instantly, but they still look classy. So yeah, if you ever thought about picking these up, this is your sign. This pair is history, culture, and fashion all in one. Again, I got mine from kickwho.cc. And if you want to save a little on your order, use my code DECENT20 for $10 off. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did Travis and Fragment create the best Jordan 1 Low collab ever? I think they might have.